Welcome everyone to Cryptocurrency Social Media Educator YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to do a video and show you the key facts and some key components comparing Safemoon and Shiba Inu. So real quick, let's go to coinmarketcap.com. Let's research and show you the old Safemoon, right? We want to show you that real quick. And of course they got Safemoon Volume 2, which is very powerful. Of course they eliminated 3 zeros, which gonna be powerful for all these holders, because them eliminating that many zeros is gonna help build the price as people continue to buy and sell, and also as the coin continue to burn. So real quick, let's just check some key things in CoinMarketCap concerning the old Safemoon. Of course, if we go to the actual blockchain on the, I'd rather do it on the Binance side, so I'm gonna just go here, click more. This is some key things you can find out. Of course, we're gonna go on the Binance side because it has more holders there compared to the Ethereum side of the old Safemoon. After this, I'm gonna show you the version 2 side. I just want to show you some key things that a lot of people's not really put emphasis on, but I think it plays a major role concerning the power of Safemoon, and I'm gonna show you some things with Shiba Inu as well. So real quick, as you can see, the old Safemoon has 15 zeros. Keep that in mind, plus a 1. So basically, that's how much the old Safemoon supply is. Remind you that they have eliminated 3 zeros, so it's on the new Safemoon Volume 2. It only has 1 trillion supply, which is very key. So real quick, as you can see with Safemoon holders, it has 2.9 million holders, plus holders. Okay, that's very powerful. Want to show you that. Also, let's go real quick and compare this to Shiba Inu. This is what I want to reveal. Now Shiba Inu is on the Ethereum side as well as on the Binance side. I'm at bscscan.com. As you can see, it has Shiba Inu on the Binance side has 546,000 holders, and you can see the supply here. The total supply of Shiba Inu on the Binance side, you can see there is a dot there, so it has in the trillions in the supply here on the Binance side. Let's check Shiba Inu on the Ethereum side. Those who are familiar with the Ethereum blockchain, let's go and type in here Shiba Inu, which is right here. It's right number 13 on CoinMarketCap. Let's show you the Ethereum side, which is right here. Okay, check this out. You can see on the Ethereum side, it has 1 million holders, 1,063,950 holders here. And as you can see, it has the total supply of, you can see right here, 999 trillion in max supply. So just want to put emphasis on the supply in holders. Okay, it has 1 million holders on the Ethereum side for Binance. It has 500,000 holders on the Binance side, okay, for Shiba Inu. Now let's go back and compare this to Safemoon. Just want to show you some key facts here. See how many holders is on the Safemoon side again. Okay. Now the Ethereum side of Safemoon, I'm clicking that, as y'all see. It has, let's see how many holders. It has only 15,000 holders on the Ethereum side of Safemoon, officially, right? Okay, let's check back again on the Binance side of Safemoon. Y'all see I'm clicking here more. That's how I see the Binance side of Safemoon. The first version, Volume 1 of Safemoon. Of course, this video is unscripted, so I might have a little. Okay, so real quick, y'all see here. Look how many holders. So comparing Safemoon to Shiba Inu right now, if you combine how many holders and how many addresses, to me it seems like Safemoon is beating Shiba Inu by 1 million addresses. Okay, we could all come to agreement with that. If you add up the addresses, 1 million something more holders than Shiba Inu, which is good. I love both coins. That's why I'm actually doing this video on them, because I have both and I love both of these coins, and I believe they have a great future ahead. So I just want to show you, everyone, all you watchers, how you get more familiar with these cryptocurrencies. Research them, study them, see how many holders they have, see the market cap. I mean, these are basic things that you look for when it comes to seeing who's involved with Safemoon. Do research on them. Find out what celebrities are behind these coins. You'll be surprised what potential company, what exchanges are behind these coins. Let's do a little quick tips on that real quick. We have to go back to coin market cap for that. For Safemoon, you click on market. This is how you tell what exchanges they're on. Now keep in mind, the old Safemoon is now becoming Safemoon Value 2, which is awesome. They have eliminated 3 zeros, and I've always told the less the supply, the higher the price can go. And my theory is correct, because let's show you an example. We see how many Safemoon supply it has, which is right here circulating. 585 billion, right? Yeah, the B stand for billion. So let's go to Bitcoin. Everybody's familiar with Bitcoin, right? Let's look at the total supply here, and you see the difference. Okay, they have 18 million total supply. So think about it. When you eliminate 3 zeros off Safemoon for Safemoon Value 2, guess what? It's lesser supply circulated, and guess what? The price can increase faster. That's what you want to see. We want to see Shiba Inu do this, because if Shiba Inu eliminates some zeros, oh, it's going to be phenomenal, because potentially it's going to cause a ripple effect and cause the price to shoot up even higher, and people can earn even more money by holding. So that's the key to this. So now let's talk about the main thing I really want to concentrate on is Safemoon Value 2. Now you're going to see why. So what we're going to go to is poocoin.app. This is how you can search the new Safemoon Value 2 and see what's going on, since they are converting the old one to the new one, which is with less supply. So I'm going to type in here SFM. You can put in symbols, letters, that represent the coin, and you'll be able to pull up some information. This is the new Safemoon Value 2, which you see the market cap. That's key. Remember, I told y'all they eliminated 3 zeros. Now the total supply for the new Safemoon is only 1 trillion. And I give you an example of Bitcoin. The less supply, the higher the price can increase as people continue to buy and sell. Okay, that's what you want to see in cryptocurrency. All right, you see the charts here. You see a lot of people are converging and converting their old Safemoon, and of course they got YouTube videos on that. People have videos showing people how you convert your old Safemoon to the new Safemoon V2, which you do it through the Safemoon wallet, or you could do it through safemoon.net. That's the official. I'm gonna go there real quick just to show you. Safemoon.net. That's the official site. Okay, and all you got to do, if you're in a Trust Wallet, I actually done my conversion through the Trust Wallet and Safemoon Wallet. All I did was go to this website, connect my Trust Wallet to it on the Binance side, and I was able to convert my Safemoon by clicking this button through the Android browser. Okay, Android got the dApps browser, so I was able to paste this link in the search box, go to it. It prompted me, after I clicked consolidate the V2 Safemoon, it prompted me to connect my wallet. So that's what I did. I had $5-6 worth of smart chain in there, and I was able to convert my old Safemoon to the Safemoon V2 right in my Trust Wallet. Okay, now the easier way, a lot of people's doing it through the Safemoon wallet. You go to the Play Store and do that, and they got video tutorials to show you how to do that real quick. So just a little quick tip. So this is the power of cryptocurrency. Let me just show you, finally, just compare some other coins real quick. My main thing is I'm concentrating on in this video tutorial is to show you the power of less supply. Okay, we're going to compare. Let's go to Ethereum. Okay, the reason why Ethereum is increasing as people buying and selling, look, they have less supply. Look, y'all see this for yourself. This is key tips that I learned from people that trained and taught me about cryptocurrency as I learned the system. 118 million. That's why Ethereum is taking off. Let's compare this to Ripple, since a lot of you got XRP. Not taking away from these coins, I got them all. I just want to show you key tips when you look at when it comes to supply, right? Okay, Ripple, y'all see XRP, it's at 83 cents. Now just imagine, we're going to go down to their max supply. Then they got circulating supply. Y'all see this? So they have 6 zeros is a million, right? 9 zeros is a billion. So 100 billion max supply. So just imagine if they only had 100 million. This price would be up there. It'll be probably $83 a coin right now. I don't have a calculator, but I'm just saying. The less supply these coins have, if they keep burning these coins, that terminology, or eliminate zeros through software and smart contracts, addresses and stuff like that, this going to increase the value of the price of the coins. So I'm just showing you an example. Another coin that's out there that has, let's go to the chart here. Let's compare another one. Look at Solana. Okay, let's check that out real quick. Y'all see the price, $117. Okay, let's go down to see their supply. Look at this total supply. Y'all see what I'm saying? 511 million. So that's why this coin is going to potentially keep growing and growing and growing, because people, they love coins that have backing, that have assets, that has major people backing it, right? So this is what's going to help the price because of the supply and the circulating supply. Okay, that's what allows these prices to increase faster compared to coins that have a lot of supply. Shiba Inu has a lot of supply. We love that coin, but it's going to take some money. It's going to take billions and billions of dollars at this current circulating supply with Shiba Inu for it to really allow us, you know, newcomers that get involved with Shiba Inu to actually earn some serious money there. But one thing about it, we have Safemoon, we have Shiba Inu, and guess what? We have other cryptocurrencies, and guess what? We are going to do good, and we are going to make some serious money. So I just want to share this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel here, and get ready for some other videos to come up that I'm going to be explaining, do education on, and showing you some key things when it comes to cryptocurrency. As you can see, I have video tutorials on all the major wallets that's out here. Those of you that has Trust Wallet, Coinbase, MetaMask, I got videos. So many have commented and said my videos has helped them in so many different ways. So please connect to this channel. I just recently done a video about 5 hours ago showing people how to buy Binance Smart Chain in the Trust Wallet. Also got a video on how to buy Shiba Inu through the Trust Wallet and save on fees. Okay, Ethereum side, if you buy a Shiba Inu on Ethereum side, you're going to spend a lot of money in fees compared to the Binance side. And I did show you that Shiba Inu on the Binance side. You're going to save way more money over here where there's 500,000 holders than if you go to the Shiba Inu side on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, this finally concludes this video. Thank you for watching.